Alright, I went ahead and did my brows because my last video, I almost forgot to do my brows entirely. So that's always great. So they're not completely done, but they're at least started, and that's a great feeling. So, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha, and I'm just a mom who likes to play with makeup. And I wanted to go back into the Tati Beauty palette today. It's almost fall, and every time fall comes around, I now start thinking about her palette. I mean, how gorgeous are these colors? It just screams fall. So, not only did I want to go back into this palette, I wanted to follow someone else's tutorial and see how their look comes out on me. So I'm going to follow Kathleen Light's today, and it's a look I definitely would not have chosen for myself, like if I was to just do my makeup by myself. And that's what makes this fun. So I wanted to see what it looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe, and also hit that bell notification so that you will see all my upcoming videos. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Like I said, I have my eyes, my brows done. I prepped my eyes with the E.L.F. Putty Eye Primer, which I love. So let's see what Kathleen starts with.
It's not right now though, because I want a nice juicy pout for my look, and I kind of feel like my lips are very dry. I just want them to look a little bit more
prep my lips like she prepped hers.
Pop this on while I do my eyes. This doesn't even smell healthy.
I'm gonna try the Lip Plumper tinted LA Girls.
So far so good. Can't feel a thing. Alright, so let's jump into this
palette.
palette. Another thing I really like about it is that you can just completely fold it back, so it's easy to hold, but it will definitely get your mirror all fingerprinty.
Ooh.
Just got mine.
That is cinnamon.
Just saying. I'm gonna go into Matte Aura, and this is gonna be my brow bone shade.
Alright, so she started with Matte Aura, which is this one right here, and she did that for her brow bone. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm feeling hers. Mine are tingling.
I'm going to take some of this shade right here, Matte Soothe, and I'm going to use this as my crease color.
Matte Soothe. Guys, my lips are on fire. Can you see? I mean, they're definitely turning pink like the box does. It says Lip Plumper Tinted. Instantly plumps lips, and the color is tickled. Yeah. That burned. It's almost like cinnamon Red Hots. That's what it tastes or feels like. Almost tastes, and I don't even, it doesn't have a taste. But I taste it or maybe smell it. I don't know, it's odd.
But it's very, very easy to blend out. It's a very buttery kind of matte. There's no skipping or anything like that. Honestly, a super creamy, yummy matte. I really liked it. By the way, my lips are on fire.
Same girl, same.
I really, really, really want to use the shade Soothe Sequin because it just swatches so beautifully. That would look gorgeous all over the lid. But I want to do something a little bit more like moody. That is definitely like an everyday kind of look for me. But I want to add a little bit more color.
Ooh, let's do color.
I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to deepen my outer corners with the shade. There is some kick.
As of right now, there's not that much fallout either. I'm not sure you can tell. But it's just dusty in the pan, which isn't a big deal. I have two different eye shapes. I don't know if you can tell by my eyes, like just in the camera. But this one's a little more hooded and rounder at the end. So I'm trying to make them look more symmetrical.
Okay, I'm going to take some of this shade right here, Metallic Ritual. This one, very pretty. It's such a gorgeous bronze, and I think it would look pretty all over the lid with a little bit of the pink shimmer as well. Oh, this shimmer actually picks up really, really well.
That is so pretty. Gosh, I forgot how much I love these colors.
Apply better with your fingers. I mean, no matter what shimmer it is, I always apply it with my fingers, like 9 times out of 10.
Yes.
So now I'm going to take another metallic shade, but I'm going to take Poet, this color right here. I'm going to apply that right in the center. Okay, I'm going to go back into Matte Poet.
Whoa, wait.
In case you didn't know.
Woo.
Okay, case you didn't know.
Whoops. That is fun.
That is gorgeous.
She went all the way out.
That'll probably stick a lot better with some glitter glue underneath, but it's so pretty. I'm gonna take the matte black in the palette.
Did she take glitter? Did I miss that? Oh, she did. Let me put a little bit of that glitter. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's fun. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness. That is fun. I'm loving this, Kathleen. As if she is even here. I'm just cleaning up a little bit of the fallout, which is my fault. Did she take it up at all? Just on the lash line. Just the lash line. Okay. About halfway up. Or halfway on the lash line, I mean. Oh, I love this.
That black is so good that I barely
Oh my gosh,
touch
she
it
used
with my
black,
brush
not brown.
and so much.
No worries. Ooh, that is black. Look at that. This is the fun part about following someone else's tutorial too, is that everyone has different eye shapes. So it's fun to see how it looks on someone else's eye shape, basically. I mean, not much more to that.
She comes off like it's very, very pigmented, very black.
Yes.
A little goes a long way.
Yes.
I really like it. Okay, so now I'm going to take this really pretty champagne glitter right here, and I'm going to use this on the inner corners of my eyes, kind of, well, like in my inner crease. I'm just going to draw a little line on my inner crease.
This
like a little glitter line.
scares me.
Let's see how this goes.
Oh my gosh. Because I don't, number one, have a steady hand. And number two, I've never done anything like this. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh no. I picked up too much. That is very different.
These little glitter
I think she went
crease
higher up.
situations. See, like I'm missing a little spot right here. But I tried my best. I feel like I look so stupid.
I feel like I look
uneven
stupid.
And they're too fat. Dang it. I'm gonna clean up my face. There's a bunch of glitter on it. But I'm pretty much done with the eyes. Pretty simple.
Okay.
I thought I was gonna get creative for once. Nope. Okay, so really quickly I'm gonna do my
Creative
face
for
makeup
me.
off of camera.
I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna go do my face makeup and then I'll be right back and we will finish the look. Alright, so she added more eyeshadow to the top. She added more of Matte Memory. So I did the same. And now we are doing the bottom eyelashes. However, just so that you know, the rest of my face I did use with Seint Official. So for the list of colors that I used, you can check it out down below. And yeah, so let's get into the rest of the eyes. So she's using a little bit of the matte black, which is Memory, and a little bit of Ritual on the lash line. Okay. Oh, Kathleen, this is a lot for me. I normally just stick with literally browns. So thank you for taking me out of my comfort zone. I just hope that I'm doing your look justice. And if not, I'm very sorry.
Okay, I guess I did get smoky after all.
Alright, we're getting smoky. So I'm gonna blend it out. Well, that makes my eyes look a little more brown. Like a golden brown. Alright, and she's doing the waterline, so I'll be right back. Alright, so mascara is done. I'm going to put a little bit of, if I can find it, the E.L.F. Brow Wow just to set my brows. And I think the look is complete. Let's see. My lips are done. I actually just used the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and I believe it's Moon.
And then I'm going in with the M Cosmetics Caramel Glaze Lip Gloss.
Yes.
Okay guys, so that completes this look. I really enjoyed how it turned out.
We are done.
I got carried away.
Alright, so this is the completed look following Kathleen Light. I will also link that video down below so that you can follow it as well if you want to. It's definitely an easy tutorial. I really like this look. So, and that's using the Tati palette, Tati Volume 1. I would not have used the Poet side. So I'm very glad that I found Kathleen Light's tutorial because I really like this. This is really pushing me out of my comfort zone. I'm in love. Tell me what you guys think. I really like this look. I'm so excited. It's gorgeous, and it was so easy to follow Kathleen Light's tutorial. So I will link that video down below along with all the items that I used today. If you have any questions, please just ask them and I will get back to you with whatever product it is or whatever answer it is. So thank you for joining, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a lovely week wherever you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye.